Hello friends, my name is Alea of Cozi Crochet, where I show you how to crochet the cozy way. And in today's video, I'm super excited because we're doing another giveaway. Yes, I love doing giveaways, and I am so fortunate enough that I'm able to do another one for the holidays. So if you like crochet and yarn content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and comment down below your thoughts. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at cozicrochet.co for a chance to enter into my New Year's giveaway going on at the beginning of January. So you don't want to miss it, so make sure you're following me there. These giveaways and anything else I do on my channel would not be possible without your support. So if you would like to support the channel, buy me a coffee. The link will be down below in the description, and you'll also be shouted out in my next video. So before I get into how to win and the prizes, I just want to come on here and talk a little bit about how I'm so proud of this channel and how it's grown, and just a little sappy moment, and really just coming to thank you guys. I am super grateful, thankful, proud of the community that we have built, and I'm really looking for different avenues that we can really come together and become a stronger community, and we can interact with each other and have really cool conversations. So if you have any ideas of how that would be possible, link them down below. Building this channel up to what it has become has been probably one of my greatest achievements. I really didn't think we would get as far as we did this year. We got to over 1K subscribers, which I honestly didn't think that was possible this year. A handful of my videos were able to get more than 1K views, which is also something that I didn't think that was possible for somebody to do. A lot of people don't realize that you have to put in a lot of work to get to this point, and some people don't make it their first year. Very rarely do they, especially in this niche. So I'm just very thankful and grateful. All of you guys have been super positive. I don't think I've gotten one bad or negative comment in any of my videos that I have put out this year. To have that amount of positive energy on this channel is just so inspiring, and I'm glad I'm able to have a space that I can enjoy my craft and be able to talk to it with like-minded people, and it be positive and it be safe, and I'm just very thankful for that. I couldn't do none of this stuff without the supporters, people who reach out to, I've had people reach out on my behalf to other companies, and companies have contacted me to work together, and that's just super exciting, and I never thought I would be able to do that my first year of making content. So I'm just so thankful, and it's almost surreal that I'm able to do these giveaways because I never thought I would be able to. A lot has happened this year in my personal life, and keeping up with this channel has definitely been a highlight. Every week, making these videos, posting them, and seeing all your comments is just, it's one of those hobbies that I've definitely grown to love and cherish and value. So with all that sappy stuff out the way, I know y'all like, girl, hurry up, we trying to figure out what these prizes are. I'm gonna go ahead and get into them. So I am so excited because we have 2 sponsors for this giveaway. That's just super exciting. I'm very happy, and I can't wait to tell you who the sponsors are because they're pretty big ones. So the first place winner will be winning, drum roll, a 25 gift certificate from Cozi Crochet. Yeah, so you can buy yourself a hook, some yarn, any other accessories that they have on their website. And I just want to thank Furls so much for sponsoring us with that gift card. That means the world to me, and y'all know I love Furls, so I'm so happy that I'm able to have the opportunity for them to participate in this giveaway. Second place winner is gonna be Scented Stitches. They are sponsoring us. They will be awarding the second place winner with some of their products as well, so that's very excited. So thank you, Scented Stitches, for sponsoring the second place winner's prize. So the third place winner is going to receive the digital pattern for my sweet anniversary Tunisian crochet scarf. I am super excited because I know you guys really love that pattern, and I'm super excited that somebody's going to be able to win that pattern absolutely free and they can make it themselves. So you may be wondering, I love the prizes, how do I win? There is a laundry list of things that you need to make sure that you're checking off before you enter, and I will list all of this down below in the description so you know how you can qualify. Let's talk about the requirements to enter into the giveaway. So you have to be 18 years or older to enter into the giveaway. You have to be living in the United States to enter the giveaway. You have to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. After I pick the winner, the next step is to make sure that they're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, I go to the next person. So don't wait until don't wait too long to subscribe. Literally right now as you're watching this video, look down below at the subscription button and make sure it says subscribed, because sometimes the algorithm is so good you will always see my videos but realize you're not subscribed to the channel, and it would be a real shame if you are picked as one of the winners and you're not subscribed. So those are the main requirements for entering. Now to enter, you do have to comment down below specifically the prompt that I'm going to tell you right now. So down below in the comments, I want to know, what was your favorite thing that you crocheted or knitted or spun this year? I want to know what project was your favorite, and if you didn't start a project this year or you didn't finish a project this year, let me know what are your plans for next year. Is it a blanket? Do you want to make your own pattern? I want to know and create a conversation down in the comments section. So those are things that I'm going to be looking for when I look to pick my winners. The winners are going to be randomly generated through the comment section, so you have to be subscribed and you have to make sure you comment. Liking this video also helps, and watching the video at normal speed from beginning to end also helps as well. So the giveaway will be from December 3rd to December 10th. Also remember, I will not be in the comments telling people that they won. I will be making and posting a video on December 10th letting you know who won the giveaway. The winners then have a week to respond back and email me with their information. So yeah, that's gonna be it for all the information. I would love if you entered into the giveaway. I'm so happy and blessed that we're able to do 3 winners in this giveaway. It's super exciting, and I really hope that I'm able to do more giveaways like this in the future. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful holiday, and as always, create something gorgeous. Bye guys.